ধুবুৰীত পোনপ্ৰথমবাৰৰ বাবে প্ৰধানমন্ত্ৰী জন ঔষধি কেন্দ্ৰ আনুষ্ঠানিকভাৱে মুকলি কৰা হয়। ধুবুৰী চহৰৰ বাজমজিয়াত অৱস্থিত মহামায়া হোটেলৰ নিচে কাষতে প্ৰধানমন্ত্ৰী ভাৰতীয় জন ঔষধি কেন্দ্ৰৰ উদ্বোধন ৰঙাফিটা কাটি কৰা হয়। ধুবুৰী চহৰৰ বিশিষ্ট ব্যক্তি তথা গণ্যমান্য ব্যক্তিসকলৰ উপস্থিতিত এই শুভ উদ্বোধনী অনুষ্ঠান অনুষ্ঠিত কৰা হয়। উক্ত ঔষধি কেন্দ্ৰটোৰ পৰা বাকী দোকানসমূহতকৈ গ্ৰাহকে কম মূল্যত বিভিন্ন ৰোগৰ ঔষধ ক্ৰয় কৰিব পাৰিব বুলি জানিবলৈ দিয়ে। কোনোবা ব্যক্তিয়ে যদি অতি কম মূল্যত ঔষধ ক্ৰয় কৰিব বিচাৰে তেন্তে অতি সোনকালে যোগাযোগ কৰক।
My name is Suman Ghosh. I am a resident of Dhubri town. I have inaugurated a generic medicine store by the Pradhan Mantri Jan Aushadhi Kendra, situated at NS Road, Dhubri, Assam, opposite of IndusInd Bank. This is a generic medicine store. So, firstly, what I would like to say is, as all we know, that health is wealth, but at this day and age, we know that medicines are very expensive, extremely expensive, to the point that general people are unable to access the medicines they need, which results in them not being able to treat themselves or their family members. In fact, when we come into looking at the newborn children, the cost that comes into picture with the starting with the diapers, wipes, their medicines. Sometimes when there's winter, they might get cough and cold, so you need a nebulizer. So things like that, which is extremely expensive at a normal pharmacy, as you see. What we have here is the difference is the medicines and the equipments that we have at our store are by the government, which are not branded by any private company, is why we are able to provide you these medicines and equipments at a very low cost, almost 70 to 80% discount if you compare the generic medicine to the regular medication that's available in the pharmacy. So the medicines are the same. It's just the branding is not there, which makes a big difference. Like when you go to buy clothes, if you buy a jeans from a local company, it may cost you 1,000 rupees. But when you buy a jeans from Levi's, it will cost you 10,000 rupees. So that is the basic difference here.
One question, please.
Yes.
Yeah, if patients had gone to doctors and doctor always prescribe their company medicines, huh? So patients obviously patients searching the medicines on the available on the local pharmacy or any others. How can they know it is the compositions about and their how they have come to here?
So, what needs to be done, as there's also a new regulation by the Prime Minister, is that all the doctors are advised to write the composition of the medicines that they are prescribing. So, let's say a doctor wants to prescribe you Pan 40. Instead of Pan 40, they need to write Pantoprazole, which is the composition of the medicine. So, whenever you're visiting a doctor, when they write the name of a tablet or any medication, ask them to write down the composition as well. Because what anybody needs is the composition. We don't need the name of the brand. We don't need the name of the medicine. We need the name of the composition.
Is this your message to the doctor or common peoples of Dhubri?
Both. This is a message for everybody in Dhubri and across Assam, because as we know, as I've already said, that health is something that is obviously first priority for everybody, and in order to take care of that, we fortunately or unfortunately have to rely on medication to an extent. And medicines are extremely expensive in this day and age, and as we know, the cost of living is tremendously high. That includes maybe our food, our lifestyle, everything. And when we come to our medication, what happens is a lot of people, they ultimately, especially people like parents, grandparents, what they do is they cut down on their medicine expenditure.
Excuse me, it's too long actually. What your message to the doctors of civil hospitals and who are private chambers doctors? What your message to those type of doctors?
So my humble request to the doctors of Dhubri would be, please kindly uh, write the composition of the medication on the prescriptions for your patients, so that they can choose from where they want to buy. If they can afford the most expensive medicines, go for it. Very good. But the people who are unable to purchase because of the cost, they should not suffer, which is why we have started this brilliant uh, thing that Prime Minister has already started. So we have started this here in the hopes that we can serve people who need these kind of medicines, who are unable to purchase the expensive ones. So
Okay.
this is a request for the doctors.
Okay.